Hey everyone, it's Erin, and in today's video, I give the kids $10 each to spend at the grocery store to pick out foods that we can put into Easter eggs in order to do a taste testing to celebrate today. Because today is not only Easter, it is also April Fool's Day.
So I thought my total was going to be around $8. It's only $3.77. Interesting. Thank you.
Alright, the rules of this taste test are, you know what color eggs you put your foods in.
I forget.
Okay, well, you are not allowed to choose that egg for the other person. When it is your turn, you must choose an egg that is not the one that you've put your food in. Okay? Who wants to go first? Okay, Lexi, you want to choose for me?
Yeah.
Or do you want me to choose? Do you want CJ to choose for you?
Yeah.
CJ, you choose for Lexi.
Okay. Let's see. I choose this one for you.
This one? Mm-hmm. You don't have to eat like all of the stuff in there. You just have to try that. Okay, pretty good. Alright, it's your turn to choose for me.
No, that's the one I did.
Oh boy.
See, this is what I was saying about how it's wet.
I see.
Yeah. So I have to put it in a paper towel. And I tried to skip a little, like the middle out and put it in. How does it taste?
Tastes pretty good. Kind of sour.
So let it be known, our mom likes lime.
Shut it down. Okay. CJ, for you, I pick that one.
This looks like it has. What is it?
Don't let it drip.
Oh, sorry. I have to eat this. That doesn't taste at all what it looks like.
What does it look like?
Like dirt.
Oh.
Tastes pretty good though. I wonder what it is. Tastes like those Thin Mints, the Girl Scout Thin Mints.
That's good. Yeah, I told you. Smells good.
It's good.
You can keep yours over there if you want to eat it later.
Can I? Do I go? So you get to choose for me.
Yeah.
Okay, this is gonna be fun. Demons. I choose this one for Lexi. I don't know if I made this one or not. I did.
Ooh.
I think I know what those are. Those are my favorite.
These like raisins.
I think they're chocolate covered prunes.
Either way, they're good.
That's the only sweet thing that I bought.
Lexi got lucky.
You got lucky.
I did. Oh, I'm dying to see. I'm dying. I don't know if I made this one.
Oh no, I did.
You made it?
Yep.
Oh. Are those the things you couldn't stop eating? Oh.
These are good. These are some. I picked these up in the international aisle. And they're called Remix.
Ooh.
I thought they were like cinnamon sugar, but they're really good. It tastes kind of like a smoky barbecue.
So, does the international aisle have like foods from all over the world? Ooh. I think I know.
Okay.
Because I saw you in that aisle.
Alright, CJ. For you, I'm going to pick this one. Ooh. You got lucky again.
These are cookies and cream Hershey. They're good. Okay, Lexi, for you, I pick the pink one.
This one?
Ooh.
These are mine. Does anyone else want to try?
What are they?
They're Airheads Extreme Sour Watermelon. Go.
Time to pick your poison for me.
Ooh. Finally, some yumminess.
But it's not Halloween. I do like candy corn though. They're really good. And for you to choose my fate.
Oh no!
So, I made this egg. It's a jalapeno, not a jalapeno, a habanero pepper. This is my glasses. I'm gonna take them off for this. Probably gonna. So, how should I eat this? Just like the whole thing, or just a little bit?
It's up to you.
Okay. I don't know. I'm gonna eat the whole thing.
I think you should just eat a little bit.
I'm gonna eat the whole thing. I'm a daredevil. Tastes well. When I picked it up, there was a circle rating, and and like there were, I don't know how many circles there were. I think there were 6, maybe 7, and it like all the circles were filled. Not that bad though.
It's getting hot.
My lips are burning. I just inhaled a seed. It's hot.
You want some cream or ice cream?
I'm fine.
Sweating.
I am. So hot.
You okay?
My ears are burning. Thank you. It hurts so much. It still hurts.
Does it still hurt?
Keep going.
It's your,
Keep going.
it's your turn to choose.
Oh.
Ooh.
Oh, I think I did that one. Oh, sorry.
Thanks. That's the one I stopped eating.
Oh, there's not one left.
Can we show each other what we got after?
Yep, that was calamari. That's pretty good. Alright, CJ.
I made this one. I'm surprised nobody picked it out. It hurts. Can't even open it. Some Berry Bendy chocolate. Let's try it. Oh, it's not even chocolate.
That's what that's for.
I think you're right.
Alright, all of our eggs have been opened. So we are going to clean up this mess. Then we're going to eat lunch and see what the rest of the day holds for us. As always, go out and carpe diem. Happy Easter to everyone. Thank you all for watching. Give this video a like if you liked it. Comment down below and let us know if you've ever tried this. And we'll see you all in the next National Days video. Bye.
A quick update. I got this basket, and we're going to the organic section first. Let's go see what kind of cakes they have. I want to see if they have cupcakes, but I'm not sure. This is what they have. Update, I got this. It's a bun roll, candy corn, and then we have the extreme watermelon, airheads, and